How did you get here today?
I going. No, I drive. I'm driver.
Driving.
Yes.
How did you get here today?
I can driving.
Solamente sería driving.
Oh, driving. Okay, drive.
How did you get here today?
Driving.
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 Okay.
Drive. Driving.
No drive, no. Driving. Driving.
Driving.
How did you get here today?
Driving.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I do.
Oh, yes, I do.
Okay, so do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a job?
No, I don't.
Okay, good. Excellent. Do you have to work today?
No, I don't.
Okay, good. Do you file taxes?
Yes, I do.
Do you pay taxes?
Yes, I do.
Do you owe taxes?
Yes, I do.
Do you want to become a U.S. citizen?
I can.
Do you want to become a U.S. citizen?
I did come.
Do you want to become a U.S. citizen?
Yeah.
Do you want significa quiere usted?
Quiere. Oh, yes. Excuse me.
Do you want to become a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Coméntame cuántas preguntas respondiste correctamente en la primera. Te leo.